In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to open command prompt in current folder or directory here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the taskbar. There you can see your file explorer. Please click on it to open. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring this one up. So from that, you just have to navigate to your C drive or local disk. Okay. So let's say, for example, you would like to open the Windows and you would be navigated to the System32. Okay, so just have to proceed to the current folder or the directory or the path that you would like to proceed. And if, let's say, for example, you would like to open the command prompt here, all you need to do is you need to proceed here in the upper center screen. You can see there a path, click on that one, and then please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way, you'll be able to open the command prompt in current folder or directory here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.